What's up, everybody? Well, hopefully this isn't going to be a shit vlog because it's very windy out tonight.
It was a shit show.
But finally I get to ride again. Weather's pretty good. It's almost 70 right now. I'm on my way to work. It's only supposed to get down to about 58 tonight. Slight chance of rain, but it'll be alright. So, my new year video, I talked about my whole gallbladder situation, and I'm going to touch on that again. So, I still haven't gotten it out. I still hadn't heard any fucking thing. So, come to find out, between insurance, miscommunication, calling the wrong phone numbers, all kinds of shit, what had happened was my doctor's office, I went and had a sonogram done, found out my gallbladder was bad. I had gallstones, gall sludge, what the fuck ever, right? Okay, so my doctor got the results, you know, they called me, told me what was going on. I said, okay, this is the office that should be calling you to set up a consultation and then go from there on the surgery. Well, I never got that phone call. And I call every fucking day, said, hey, you know, I'm not getting this phone call, what's going on, blah, blah, blah. Finally, I get a call saying, and I was asleep, and they left me a voicemail saying, you know, this is so-and-so, we're calling to set up your appointment. So I call them back the next day, and of course, I just get the voicemail system again. I know it is with doctors' offices now, you just talk to fucking voicemails instead of actual people until they call you back. But anyway, so I'm thinking, okay, all I got to do is now just stop playing phone tag and we'll get the shit set up. Now I find out that, a little bit of backtrack here. Whenever I first started having some pain issues, you know, my doctor thought it was just a really bad acid reflux. So they ordered me an upper GI. Well, I never got the upper GI because we found out that it was my gallbladder. Well, now back to now, come to find out, the people that called me was for the upper GI, not for my gallbladder. My doctor's nurse had screwed up and she sent over the upper GI to another office instead of my gallbladder order to a different office. So I've been trying to get a hold of the wrong people. The wrong people have been trying to get a hold of me. Now it's all fucking settled out. Finally figured out what the hell was going on. Going to have a consultation very quickly, and the surgery's probably going to be within a day or two after that. Hopefully. I still haven't talked to anybody. But going off my voicemail, that's what it says. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. It fucking feels good out here, goddamn. Here I am flying down the highway, 80 miles an hour, 85 miles an hour. Well, I can tell I haven't rode all fucking winter. Full face helmet's hurt the old neck a little bit.
How many? How many dicks have you sucked?
Really sucks I've only been on this bike. I had one good day over the winter I was able to ride. But other than that, I mean, it's basically been 3 months. That one day I did get to ride, I only got to ride for like an hour, if that. Didn't even get to go to races that night because it got so cold so fast. But hopefully everybody else's season is starting. I know I see on Instagram a few of y'all are still dealing with fucking snow and really cold temperatures. Well, Mr. Captain Granite, he's still dealing with some pretty cold temperatures. They're actually forecasting our temperature's supposed to drop on this weekend. We're supposed to have nothing but rain starting tomorrow until Sunday. I believe it's Sunday they said we have a possibility of flurries. The temperature's supposed to drop so low. That blows donkey dick, but you know, what can you do? It is what it is. Ooh, I can smell somebody's clutch burning. And it ain't mine. What's going on here? I hate left lane drivers. God damn, I hate them so much. Fucking pieces of shit is what they are.
You a piece of shit.
Oh, I shouldn't fuck around too much. I get another speeding ticket, I lose my license. Let's open it up. Feel a little bit froggy tonight. Gotta love this motorcycle. For a 900 fucking pound motorcycle, she does get around good. Whee! Uh-oh, red bomb. So anyways, I do hurt still, but today's been a pretty good day. I haven't hurt too bad, and hopefully that continues. I like having good days, but like I said, I hope everybody else is having a good time. I hope everybody's getting back on their bikes. I have noticed a lot more videos has been starting to come out, but I'm gonna go ahead and call this one because I'm out of shit to fucking talk about. So I hope everybody, this is actually Wednesday, but I hope everybody has a good weekend. Everybody be safe. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.